heck?
First full set.
So we got a full set of HACIPUPU Adventures in the Woods. I think we decided to get this because we really like
The design of
all the designs.
Yeah.
Right? I think, which are your favorites?
I like most of them.
Okay. Yeah, I have a few favorites lah. I think I quite like this one. I like this one. This one. I think this is cute. This is cool. Yeah, so let's get on with it. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, very excited. You want to do it first or I do it first?
You do it first.
Okay, I'm going to pick from the middle. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, not that heavy, but let's go. Oh, it's quite top heavy. Oh, wait.
I saw the card.
No, it's the one of the ones that I like, right? I think. Okay, let's.
I think it's the one that you kind of always wanted.
Okay, I think the bag is cute. It has HACIPUPU on it. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Cutie!
This is a little raccoon. It has a companion that's very cute too, and stands for each of them.
And let's see. This is our card. Okay, really cute. So here's a little stand, and it's so cute. Okay, let's see. Where can we put this? I'll put them here first. Okay, you go next. Oh, that was Little Raccoon.
Yeah. Take this one.
Oh shit, we just bent it.
It's like can shake at the sides, not too much front and back. Up and down, not so much. There's a lot of like. I don't know is it the back, but number 2. Oh,
Firefly.
no, it's
Oh.
this.
That is
called- I think it has a stand.
Morning Glory.
The stand is inside. There's a stand too.
And this is the card.
I think I would consider this one of my favorite because I like the blue. The dress goes from opaque to transparent, which is very very nice. And he's carrying a little morning glory at the back. It's so cute. The blue is very nice. It's like the indigo kind of blue.
Alright. My turn. Okay, I don't know whether we'll get the secret. Do you think we'll get the secret?
If we're lucky, but it also means that we're not getting one.
Oh, okay. The box that I have, right, feels quite full. Like, you can't hear anything if you shake it.
Oh, it's
So,
messy.
and then, like, there's something protruding here. So, hey, actually, right, this might be the one that you really like. I'm thinking it's this one, Little Ghost. So, here goes. Okay. Oh! Oh, wait, it's like just. Okay, wait, yeah, I really think it's the one you like. Okay, let's. Ta-da! Okay, wait,
Little girls.
I was right.
There's no stand.
But look at him, HACIPUPU's so cute! And it's like him saying boo! Right? Like, and there's the tag which says HACIPUPU at the back here. And it comes with this thing, so you just.
The sheet.
So cute. And where's the card?
That's here. Little ghost.
So cute. Your turn.
This is also quite solid. Like all 4 directions, there's no shaking back.
Oh.
And you can feel like in one certain direction, you can feel there's something. This side not so much, but a bit lesser. Really have no clue. It's a bit bulky-ish.
Is there anything else?
I don't know. I don't want to see. Because the accessories kind of
Giveaway.
give away. Right? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's
The
Firefly. So it comes with an accessory. Oh, and there's a stand as well. So there. Hey, it's broken.
What?
Yes. Oh no.
Oh no, we have a broken one.
I don't know. I'm not sure whether we should like contact Popmart or try to do it back. I don't know.
We have to see their policy, I guess.
Yeah. And we'll probably check that.
But yeah, it's supposed to be sitting in this flower on top of this thing, which is unfortunately broken. But it's cute and it's glow in the dark.
Yay.
But it still can kind of stand.
Our card. Firefly. Yeah.
It still can kind of stand.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get it exchanged.
Okay. Maybe I'll take one that's from the front. Alright. Okay, it doesn't really shake much from top to bottom. Sideways it does. And you can hear, okay, that's probably like that's probably this. Yeah, you can hear it.
Yeah, it kind of sounds like skull in the back.
Oh wait, I think this is the one that I like also.
Oh,
I think I know. It's the carnivorous plant thing. What's the name? And-
Cannibal flower.
I am right.
Stand.
Yeah, so like there's this carnivorous flower kind of eating Hachipupu's head, and like I think there's blood coming out of his eyes, but still cute. And this is our card.
The details at the back is actually quite nice. The colours are actually very nice. It kind of reminds me of the flower from like Mario because of the like carnivorous nature in its way. Yeah.
So cute. So cute. I quite like it. Okay, I'm gonna put this here.
Hey, next one. This is also pretty solid,
Secret.
but there's a little bit top and bottom, but not so much. Can't really feel anything at the sides too much.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's the one on the cover, right?
It's the one on the cover. This one. And that is Adventurer.
Oh, it's super adorable.
It comes with a stand and a little lamp there. Okay, let me just. So this is the stand. And look. The details though. Yeah. This is our card, the Adventurer.
It's a bit hard to. Commercial break. So I fixed it, and you can see that holding the lantern. It's a bit hard to fix it, but it's not too much of an issue. There's a very nice gradient green of the cape of leaves.
I quite like
Around.
that detail.
Yeah, and I think the shoe part is cute. There's a little face. Sorry, it's not focusing, but there's a face on it. Yeah, it's very, very adorable.
We still have no secret so far. Yeah. So we have 12 and there's one secret, but we'll see.
Yes.
This is quite light. It shakes sideways. It shakes up and down. You can. Okay. Let's just go. Okay. I know. I think this is
Just open.
Gremlin. So just open it up.
So let's see the back.
3, 2, 1. I am right. Gremlin. It's quite.
His hat is nice.
And this is glossy. Oh look, there's this very beautiful detail at the back, like flowers, and then the little ribbon that's like wings. It's translucent, gradient green and blue. And this is our card.
Friendly. We have 5 more.
Still no secret.
Yeah. Oh, another. Not say it's just not really moving. I think the sound is from the silicone gel pack. There's like almost nothing. A little bit here, not so much here. That's why I read the pack. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Oh,
Oh!
it's the Fox.
Mr. Fox.
Mr. Fox. Oh, okay.
Accessories.
There's an accessory, but I think it's because the bag is quite big.
Huge.
It's a very big bag, so it's quite loud.
To try and fool.
The accessories is actually okay. There's a stand. There's his hat and a cane.
That's so cute. And this is our card, Mr. Fox. Okay, while he's doing that, I'll pick the next box. Doesn't shake. It doesn't move much, but you still can hear the sound. Okay.
Hey, I'm really done.
Alright, he's done. Let's show Mr. Fox.
Super cute.
The cane, look at the cane. Oh, it has a little tail.
Yeah. It's a very simple but very classy looking.
Oh wait, okay, I'm gonna guess. This is mushroom. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh wait, let me just take out this. Oh, HACIPUPU this. There. Mushroom.
It has a stand too.
Very glossy finish to the mushroom head.
But the red is very
And
vibrant.
this is so cute. Look at his little backpack.
He's carrying a little prince-ish character.
Ta-da! Okay, just place here. We have another 3 more.
No secret yet. Oh,
Not sure whether we will end up
this is
getting
another
secret.
the silicone gel pack. This one is can't really feel much also. It's quite light. Not much movement. All directions. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Hey.
Ah.
The owl.
That's one of his favorites as well. He has a stand. And it's actually it's matte finish. And the detail.
He's matte. The hoodie has this sort of very granite grey, then there's like dots all around. And then the wings is also very nice, the gradient from white, the light grey to grey. Then the fur around his neck is also, there's some textured design. I think what I like is that the watch that he's carrying. You see the chain is like, the chain is moving,
Yeah.
but it's free hanging. So I think this is one little detail that I quite like about it. And he has that very pouty face, which is quite a character. Alright.
This is our card. Okay, we only have 2
more.
left. He's gonna choose one and I'm gonna choose one. Which one?
You pick. Then I'll take this.
Alright, so let's go. I'm not gonna think so much already. I'm just gonna butcher the box. Oh no, it's quite small. Wait. 3, 2, 1. I quite like this one. This is so cute. It's like
A little
it's just sitting over there, like
You're forgetting
with a
the
little
tree
tree. Yeah.
stump.
Okay, here's an accessory, but like he's cute as is already. Okay, come.
Oh, the tree stump is cute. There's a small face on the stump. The back is, was there like a lot of sound?
Yeah.
The back is beautiful.
The detail.
Little tree.
little tree.
Alright.
Last one.
Last one.
Actually, not a secret. I think we're only left with.
We are left with supposedly the ladybug.
Okay, that's the ladybug. I don't think we got the secret, but that's okay. No history of blind box. The last one that's
Yeah. Oh, I think all the ones I got today were not really moving much. It's quite soft down now. 3, 2, 1,
go! And we have ladybug.
I think it should have come just then too.
The wings are
Transparent. Stand. And I think this is nice because the wing part is transparent, red, and on some of the black dots there's like very cute facial expressions, like emoji. And this part is actually like soft and move.
And there you go. Ladybug.
Right.
Okay, now we're gonna pick our favorites. Are we gonna do favorite or top three?
Top 3. I think that's the thing.
Okay, we're gonna do our top 3. We'll be right back. We're back with our top 3. Yeah. Maybe you go first. This is your top 3.
My top 3. I like the owl. I like the adventurer as well. The cover one. I think the third one I'll pick actually is the bowling glory. Like I remember when I first saw it, I was like normal. But I think the more I look at it, it kind of grew on me, like how simple it is, but it's actually very. I don't know.
I think what I like about it is the flower at the back. Not sure if y'all can see, but yeah, it's there. Quite nice. For me, my my top 3 are okay, in no particular order. I like this one. I think he looks rather cute with his angry face. The carnivorous flower. Yeah. Okay. And I also like the adventurer, like the pretty detail and gradient of the leaves, and how he's holding up the lamp. I think that's really cute. And my third one, I'm actually pretty torn. I quite like the little tree because he's cute, but I also like fireflies.
Not the raccoon.
No, like initially raccoon was like one of my top favorites. Like I really wanted, I think like especially his pose, like it's just very me, I guess. It's so cute.
And like the companion.
Yeah, like the little friend. But I think I really like this one. Firefly. I think he looks just so peaceful and cute. And I think he glows in the dark. Like, so that's HACIPUPU Adventures in the Woods. Thanks for watching!